What's the difference?
The difference is everything. It features Zeiss's multifocal portrait with Zeiss style